Hello guys, once again welcome back to Graphics PSD, and today I will going to show you how you can create your own font in Adobe Illustrator. And for this specific tutorial you need a plugin for Illustrator, and you can download it from online. It is for approximately $50, and it's really helpful, and I have earned a lot of money making my own fonts. However, I'm not a professional in making the fonts, but still I managed to make some of the hand-drawn logo, some of the shapes logo, and it works really well. So here's the plugin, which is known as the font self maker. I have added the link in the description, but before that we have to make the font. In order to make the font, there is some of the techniques that I use, and I personally recommend these. So first of all, you need to create a new document, a new artboard actually, and here you have to add some of the guides. And the simplest way to add the guides is by pressing the Ctrl R from the keyboard, and it will show you the guide, the ruler at the top and at the sidebar over here. Now simply just drag from the mouse button and onto the outboard. It will show you the guide, something like this. Okay, now same we will going to do from the left side of it and make something like this. Okay, now we need a font, a specific font. For example, if we are creating a bold font, we will going to create a guide based on that. But as I'm showing you how you can create a font right in the Illustrator with some of my own specific dimension, then I can use my own guide, which so it's kind of a thing that you have to decide what kind of a guide you have to use for font you are designing. I know that font designing is not directly done in Illustrator. You have to first sketch, you have to first decide the dimension of each and every alphabet, so it should be according to your need. So from the left side again, I will going to drag one more one more guide over here, and maybe I place it over here, similar with the top, and let's make another guide like this. Now here is the square area where I have to make one of my element, and I have to make all my element, all of that alphabet into this area, so that the dimension when I will be making the font in font cell, then it will be equal, so that it should not be displaced with each other at all. So once you have done this, now going to select the top two guides, and we will going to hold the Alt key, and by dragging the mouse we can create another copy like this. Now see, it will be easy for us to add one more alphabet over here. Now you can copy as many as you like according to the alphabet or according to your need, and you can add your alphabet here, or you can design your alphabet here. Preparing the guides will going to help you creating and making your font will be quite easy as compared to making it without the guide. However, it's up to you to decide which technique you want to use for your font making. So here we go. Now we have created some of the guides that we're going to use. I don't like to interfere my work with these guidelines, so I will going to lock them with pressing the Ctrl 2 from the keyboard. And now I will going to make the fonts. I will going to design the fonts actually. So for this particular tutorial, for this particular font, I will be using the blob brush tool, and I will going to make the fill color to black. Now let's just start making our font. Okay, now it's up to you to decide how many width you want for the font, or how much fatness should be included in it. So I will be going to use the default that is included when we selected this brush tool. Okay, black color. Okay, now okay, I have drawn something really bad looking uh, alphabet over here, and let's just make a caps and lowercase version. Okay, similar with the B. Let's keep practicing, keep doing the experiment with your phone, and it will ultimately will give you a good best look. Okay, now let me make it fast forward so you don't have to see making me whole font over here, and later we will going to use font self in order to convert it into proper font. So guys, here we go. I have created some of the alphabets over here, and now I will going to remove all the guys because I don't need them at all. So I will going to unlock the guides, and I will going to select all the guides and will going to hit the delete from the keyboard, and you can see it removed all. Now I just need to confirm that they all should be expanded and combined. So select all, go to object and expand, and then you can use the pathfinder, which is click on the unite tool, and it will going to unite all the elements of the alphabets. Now the next step is to how we will going to convert these into the font. Now select the fonts you have created, the alphabets you have created, right click on it and select ungroup, because we need each element separately. So we're going to go to Windows, going to select the font self maker over here. I have created so many fonts, and as you can see that I have created this sweet mermaid font, which is totally hand drawn font and created with the mouse only. So let's see how we're going to convert this into the font. Now we're going to select the new, so we are creating a new font, click on it, and now just select whole line, each one by one. So we're going to drag and drop over here. Simply select the line, drag and drop on any character batch like this. Now you can see that our first line has been added. I will prefer adding all the lines first and then converting them into the font like this. And similarly I'm going to add these lines over here, and also one more means. Okay, now once you have added all the alphabets, I will going to rename them according to the alphabets name actually. So for example, if this is A, I will going to select the caps on an A, caps down A, and similarly with every single of one of them. Now once you have done it, now you can check at the top, you can actually write within your font, and it's looking really nice. The things which I've created, I don't know what I've created, but still it's looking good. So what you need to do next is to click on the save and rename your font, maybe fine test or something that you have been creating. Click OK, and you can save anywhere you want. For example, if I'm saving on the desktop, I will click on the save and I will going to click open save font and I will going to install it, and now I can use it on my Illustrator or any software you want. So let's close the font size maker and test our font. So let's select the text and add hello. Okay, so I've added this text over here. Now I'm going to select my font, which is fine test, and you can see I have created my font, my personal font, and you can sell your font by making your own typography style, handcrafted version, hand drawn style. So basically it's really easy for you now to make your font. There are lots of settings in font size maker which you can go through, and I will make some more videos based on that. But before that, this is just a simple basic video to demonstrate you what actually this font size maker is and how help you create your own font in really simple way. So hope you like this tutorial. Make sure you give this a video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because there are lots of more videos coming toward you and you will going to love it. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.